Hey there and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get started with Google's Gemini AI Studio step by step. Whether you are a beginner or just curious, I will walk you through everything you need to know. So let's dive in, but before diving in, make sure to check the link in the description box or maybe it can be in the pinned comments. So now let's move to the main steps. First of all, let me explain you what's the difference between Gemini and Gemini. Wait, let me find it. AI Studio. So Gemini is Google's general purpose AI chatbot, the one you are seeing right here, and which is like Gemini is like Chat GPT, and Gemini AI Studio on the other hand is a powerful platform that lets you build, customize, and fine tune your own AI models and prompts. Think of it as a sandbox for developers, creators, and power users. So to use AI Studio, you just need a Google account. Now you have to head over to https dot slash slash maker switch dot google dot com. Now tap enter. Wait until the page loads, or just Google Gemini Studio and then log into it. Once you're in, here's what the dashboard look like. You can see your models and prompt projects all here. Now it's time to build. Here you can see you can use Gemini Studio or which is built with Gemini AI. So let's try this one. Let's check these icons. And there you go. Here is the Gemini AI Studio dashboard. At the left corner, you can see all these options: chat, stream, video, gen, starter apps, story, enable. What is enable save? Okay, and at the top right corner, you can choose the temperature. You can choose structured output, code execution, function calling, grounding with Google search, etc. Okay, this and the AI Studio includes some cool starter apps like, let me explain them to you. Some starter apps like Map Explorer, Video Analyzer, and Spatial Understanding Weather app, Essay Builder. This helps you understand what is possible before building your own tools. Okay, so let's build it together. Now just click create prompt from here, like go to chat. Now you have to tap prompt here. mm, so on the right hand side you will see the run settings panel. Here you can see this. So where's what each settings can do. So for example, let me show the models. Choose Gemini Pro or Gemini Flash, etc. if you want to it. As you can see, Pro and Flash, choose the one you would like to continue with. Then temperatures from here, it controls creativity, like 0 equal strict and 1 equal creativity. Okay, let's give it 2. Okay, this one is enough. Now structure output for JSON formatted data, like structure output is for JSON formatted data, and code execution is uh, for run code in a secure sandbox. Like you can run code in secure sandbox if you turn it on. Okay, and then you can see functional calling and also grounding with Google search, which connect AI to external data. And there's also advanced settings which has output length, stop sequences, etc. Let's say I want to build a recipe generator from an image. I will upload a picture of the ingredient and prompt Gemini to give me recipe ideas based on that. For prompt example, let me first download a cuisine. So let me type something unique. Now let's tap enter, then download an image from here. Okay, so for example, I'm gonna download this one right here. Let me open the image into another okay. Now let's open the image in another tab. So as you can see, the image is now, I'm gonna save the image to downloads and then turn it into all files. Now let's save it. Now let's go to Gemini and upload the image. I mean Gemini AI Studio, this one, and you have to tap onto this plus icon. Now then you have to upload file. You can choose upload file, you can allow drive access, you can upload image if you wish to, and record audio, take a photo, YouTube video, sample media, many more. For now I'm gonna just upload an image, then tap onto open. Let me upload file. Okay, let me paste the image right here. As you can see, the image is right here. Now let's write a prompt to it. So let's say I want to build a recipe generator. Okay, so let's give it a prompt example like, here is an image of ingredients, then what can I cook? No, here is an image of cuisine and give image cuisine and let me know its what its recipe. Okay, there we go. Almost. Now tap run. Okay, or you can also tap control to it. So wait until the page loads. Now as you can see, it is thinking now. And if you're not sure where to start, check out the prompt gallery. You'll find ready-made tools like math worksheets generator, unit testing assets, and etc. So you can see the image has generated me this one. So let's see whether it is correct or not. So let's search for it. Let's paste it and tap enter. So there you go. So this is correct. So here you can see this option, all the recipes here. As you can see, it has generated me a full recipe. So this is really a useful AI. That was it for today. You can explore it here, just go for it. And that's it. If this video is helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe for more. Till then, take care. See you in the next video. Goodbye.